In this video, I will show you how you can enable voice typing on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or the S26 Ultra. Now to do that, just go to Settings. Now under Settings, just scroll down and tap on General Management. Under the General Management settings, just tap on Samsung Keyboard Settings. Now over here, if you scroll down to the bottom of the page, you will find the option for voice input. Now just tap on it. Now on this page, instead of None, just select Google Voice Typing or Samsung Voice Input. I'll select Samsung Voice Input. After you select either of them, then just go to your home screen and open the keyboard of your Samsung phone. At the bottom left corner of your keyboard, you will find this microphone icon, with which you will be able to use voice typing on your Samsung phone. Now let's say if you're unable to find this microphone icon over here, then just tap and hold on the keyboard icon or whatever icon is available over here. Now instead of input method, just select voice input. As you can see, if I select input method, it will show this icon, but if I select voice input, it will show the microphone icon. Now after you tap on the microphone icon, you will be able to use voice typing on your Samsung phone. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.